Hi everyone, my name is Tom Zobel and I am an RMM admin here at ProValTech. Today we're going to be talking about some high-level principles of automation or things to keep in mind when building Automate solutions. So this is less of a how-to and more of a set of guidelines to think about. So let's say you created a script that installs a program. You tested it out and it works consistently, which is great. The next step for automation is to get that script pushing out automatically to the computers that need it. In Automate, this is done by creating a group of computers for the script to run against and using an auto-join search to populate that group with eligible computers. So just to demonstrate, here is where you would apply these scheduled scripts. And then at the main tab, this is where you would set up the auto-join search. So in this example, let's say you created an extra data field at the client level, and there is a checkbox there that says, Install my software. And your search is looking for any computers that do not already have this software installed and exist at a client where this checkbox says it should be installed and that checkbox is checked. So now, if you check that box, any computers that get added to this client will automatically get put into this group and will remain there until the scheduled script installs the software successfully. Now, to have a fully functioning solution, one of the last pieces we need is a way to exclude computers from this automation. This is best done by adding another extra data field at the location level and one more at the computer level. Each of these checkboxes will be used to exclude either an entire location or a single computer from being put into the group by the search. And so to apply this logic, we simply need to add two more lines to the search which is populating the group. So in addition to checking to make sure that your software is not already installed and making sure that at the client level there's a checkbox that says that it should, we also need to check the location level for the extra data field that says exclude my software. We need to make sure that this is false, aka not checked, and we also need to check to make sure that at the computer level that checkbox that says exclude my software is also false, aka not checked. So this adds more controls to your automation and lets you apply configurations in as few clicks as possible. This is the recommended way of doing opt-ins and opt-outs when building solutions. ConnectWise's Automate's own out-of-the-box Ignite automation is built with much of these same principles in mind. So the main takeaway is that when you're building a solution, think about how it will automatically get applied and how to account for exclusions in a way that can be done in as few clicks as possible. Thank you for watching. We post new videos weekly to share our knowledge about Automate. To learn more, please visit provaltech.com. There's a link in the video description below.